boys and girls. Okay, so for today, I'm picking how to solve this subtraction problem using the traditional method. And so this is actually my favorite method. So this is what you're going to be seeing me do whenever I solve subtraction. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to follow the first step where it says to write the problem up and down, line up the place values. That's already done for me. So I'm going to go ahead and move on to step 2, which is to subtract the ones place first. That's the far right, top minus bottom. So I'm taking the top number 1 minus the 6. So if I have a 1, I can't take away 6. I can only take away 1 if that's all I have. So I'm going to have to remember this other step. It's the same thing we did with expand and trade. Right? If I don't have enough, I have to borrow from my neighbor. Right? So I have to go next door and I have to trade one of these and make, I only have 6 of them, right? Because you're pretending that this 71, right, is 7 longs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you had 1 cube, right? And you were wanting to take away 46. Well, you couldn't take away 6. You can only take away 1. So you're taking one of these longs and you're breaking it up. And it's no longer a long. Now it's cubed. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So now you can take away 6 of them because now you have 10 plus the 1, which is 11. Okay, so I'm going to stop with what I'm doing. So why did I just take one away from the 7 and made it 6? Well, again, think about if this is 7 longs, right? It's really 71, right? So I took one of the 10s and put it over the other side. Even though it doesn't say 70 and now this is 60, in my brain, I know that that's 70 and now it's 60, okay? And then this is now 10 plus 1, which is 11. All right, let's step back in. All right, so I took it away, but I never actually subtracted it. So I'm going to take 11 minus 6. So I like to count up, like I said. So I'm going to go 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. All right, so my answer is 5. Again, it's the same thing if you went down. So 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Right, you still get 5. So now I'm going to subtract the tens place. So 6 minus 4, well, that's 2. So 25, because it's just like if I went up here and I took away one long and another long, right? And another long, another long. So I took away 4 longs. So I would be left with 2 longs, right? And 5 cubes. So it's 25. Now the way to check my work, because I always want to check it, is I want to estimate. So 71 is close to 70, 46 is close to 50, and 70 minus 50 is 20. And 25 is close to 20, so I have a reasonable answer. All right, so again, very similar to expand and trade, right, that we just worked on, but this time instead of expanding it out, you're just trading and knowing that that is a 70 and knowing that you're trading over 10. Okay, that's really the only difference. So good luck. I look forward to seeing your work.